Happy birthday, Nang Janice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, Nang Janice.
Hi, Janice! In behalf of Tito Manuel, we're wishing you happy birthday. May this debut filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. And this new chapter may bring you happiness, success, and all your heart's desire. God bless, take care, and stay safe always. We love you!
Hello! Happy 18th birthday, Janice, our princess of basking. Yan, naka-Chicago. Diyan na kasi mag-aaral yata ng college. Okay, happy birthday ulit from Mamba Cycle Vlog. Let's go!
Hi Janice, happy birthday, see you soon.
Hi Janice, happy 18th birthday. I wish you that you will be a successful woman someday. Always take good care of yourself and never stop believing in your dreams. Stay kind, strong, and happy no matter what challenges come your way. Enjoy your special day and may God bless you with good health, love, and endless happiness. Once again, happy 18th birthday. Love you. See you soon.
Hi Janice, happy 18th birthday. More birthdays to come and see you soon.
Hello Janice, happy 18th birthday. Wishing you lots of happiness and success as you start a new chapter of your life. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sabi mo.
Happy birthday, Nang Janice.
Happy birthday, Janice! We wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Yay!
Happy birthday, Janice!
I am Tita Chad, the girlfriend of your Tita Nat. I've heard so many wonderful things about you. Can't wait for our karaoke session when you finally visit the Philippines.
Happy birthday! I wish you a good luck on your studies and also on your career path. Happy birthday, baby Janice!
Hello, Janice! Happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday! Dalaga ka na, be! Huwag mo na boyfriend, ha? Mag-aaral muna! Love you, mamo!
Hello, Janice. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Kamusta na yung maganda kang apo? Makikita na tayo. Taon na to.
Hello, Janice. Sa iyong nalalapit na kaarawan, sana ay maging maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, Apo. Maging successful ka sana sa iyong tinatahak na karir. Again, happy birthday, Apo. Ay, paano yun?
Janice,
Yes, happy birthday.
happy birthday.
Yes, Apo. Happy birthday.
Maging maligaya ka sana sa birthday mo.
Okay. O, sa darating na kaarawan mo, maging successful sana ang iyong paghahanda at ikaw ay isang ng ganap na dalaga. Happy birthday again, Janice, from Toti and Mila.
Hi, Ate Janice! Happy birthday! Dibo mo na, ayan. Maging happy ka today dahil birthday mo, special day mo. Hoping na makamit mo lahat ng dreams mo at alam ko naman kayang-kaya mo yan. Good health and stay na mabait na anak, mabait na pinsan, mabait na apo, mabait na pamangkin. Miss na miss ka na namin. We love you, Ate Janice. Happy birthday. Stay pretty, stay healthy. God bless you. Love you.
Hi, Janice, from your family here in North Carolina. We want to wish you a very happy birthday.
And congratulations on your graduation.
We hope that you have a successful future going forward. God bless.
You take care.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy your day.
Hi there, Janice. Welcome to adulthood. So go make it yours. Keep shining. Keep growing. Stay maganda and never forget how amazing you are. So happy birthday, Janice.
Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Janice. Welcome to 18. You're finally reaching adulthood, and have fun.
I hope good things will come into your life, and may God bless you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Janice, happy 18th birthday. Stay being amazing, have fun, and always do what makes you happy. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ninang Janice. I wish you good health and wisdom for your future, as well as thank you for bringing endless love and joy to our family. Yippee!